What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Ferny Show. I hope that you're doing good. I'm doing good, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my throw. With the 3 rules I gave you on my last video, you won't have any problem to have a beautiful, fluffy throw. Well, we're gonna do a little game. It's gonna be funny. Among those items, which one I'm not gonna use to do my afro? Jojoba oil, comb, spray of water, afro pick? The answer was this. I'm not gonna use a spray of water on my fro. If you don't know why, you didn't check my last video, so you better go right now. I'm waiting. I have all the time. Gonna wait. To always keep your hair stretched, you have to make some cornrows, some braids, some twists, anything you want. Here's what I'm doing. I look like a goat, but it's okay, I guess. If you touch, you're gonna say, yeah, it's dry, blah, 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 blah. But this is what gonna give me the big afro. Next, I'm taking my jojoba oil. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my hand and apply just like that. And then I can remove the braids. So we don't want this, okay? It's not a twist out or braid out. No, we don't want any curls. So I'm starting with the back. I'm gonna take my comb and gently comb it, starting from the ends. I ate, so my glass is totally removed. I forgot to put some. I'm sorry. But the lips have to shine bright like a diamond. When I've done that, I can take the afro peak. You see how fluffy it is? When I'm done with that, there is the last thing to do. It's really important, is to wink, 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 to do just like that, and to make sure you don't have any holes. Okay, because when you have a hole, that's a no-no. It means you didn't do your hair correctly. Okay, everybody's gonna see it. And the worst is when it's behind, you know, on the back like that. You cannot see it easily. It's taking a lot of time. This is why when people come and say, I cannot touch your hair, that's a hair. No, okay? You don't know how I struggle to have this hairstyle. So please, please don't touch it. This is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If so, you know, don't forget to leave a little thumbs up, to leave a comment, and if you're on Instagram, just follow me at The Ferny Show. I'll see you on my next video.